You need to go a little bit further straight as you're going to clear that land. You see that problem? If we follow the purple line, we're going to be running through some shallows, so we're going to have to go further down. And now what I want you to do is to get Tyler and tell him what you're doing so that he can pick up exactly where you were. So give him a little instruction.
Okay, so this is the center. Yep. And it reacts very slowly, so be careful. And we're going to go 160 full. But right now, since there's land over there, I believe we need to go further.
Show him the land.
The land is right over there.
And where are we going?
I can see it down
the quarry. See where the purple is?
Yep. So
what's the distance to the quarry?
2.24 nautical miles.
And we know what a nautical mile is?
Yep. So you watch the depth.
Yep, watch the depth. All right, Tyler, you ready?
Okay.
Big exchange, power exchange. Yes.
There's a new captain on board.
Yeah.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Salute the new captain.
Tyler to